Hey guys, it's me, Morgan, and today I'm going to be doing a June beauty favorites video. This is my first favorites video, so I just kind of picked out some of the products that I have been loving recently, my summer essentials. So all of the makeup and skincare and hair care that is shown here is in fact cruelty-free, and all of it is great. Without further ado, I should also preface, I'm filming outside, as you can probably tell by the various nature noises, so bear with me if it's loud at all with like car noises or random beeping and things like that. It's just a beautiful day here in New York. The weather is gorgeous, so I just wanted to spend some time outside in nature, sitting on the balcony right now, and I have all my products ready in front of me to show you and talk about. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with skincare because every good beauty regimen starts with good skincare, and I only actually have 3 products for skincare. First, I have pretty dry skin. So in the summer, when I feel more exposed and I'm wearing, you know, dresses and short sleeves and things, I like to make sure I'm really moisturized and my skin is looking healthy. So for that, my body moisturizer that I like to use is the Trader Joe's Moisturizing Cream Extra Dry Formula. It's called a Midsummer Night's Cream, which is cute. Unscented herbal blend, and it has aloe in it, which is also really great for the summer if you are prone to sunburn like I am. It's a really great cream. It is pretty thick, but it sinks into my skin really nicely and it doesn't leave me feeling greasy or heavy at all. I just feel really nourished, and I definitely notice a difference in my skin. A nice and pure product won't irritate your skin at all. As for face skincare, I've been really liking this little regimen I've been on recently, and it is a serum and a moisturizer. So this is for the daytime. I do use a different serum at night, and I can do a full skincare routine video if you want. The Olehenriksen Truth Serum, I'm sure you've heard about it. Basically, it is collagen boosted with vitamin C. It smells great, and I have honestly noticed a difference in the brightness in my skin since I started using this. A lot of people swear by this serum, and although it is on the little bit more pricey side, I think it's worth the investment because you, first of all, don't use a lot of it. You use like half of a pump, or at least I do. So I can, you know, bet that this little container, this 1 ounce, will last me a while, and it just makes my skin feel so nourished. After I wash my face, I like to put some of that on, let it sink in before I apply my moisturizer, which I use the Burt's Bees Sensitive Daily Moisture Cream. So I do have sensitive skin. A lot of things I find irritate my skin and cause redness and things like that, but this one, it does not. It's really nice. It's very lightweight. In these hot summer months, I'm walking or I'm in the subway or and I'm feeling sweaty, I want my moisturizer to not contribute to any of that greasiness, and I really like this one. Next, I'm gonna move on to makeup. I just have a few products. In the summer, I just like to be very light and natural and fresh. I like to kind of have a little pop of color on the lip. And for that, some of my favorites are the Glossier Generation G lipsticks. The 2 that I have right here are the shades Crush and Zip. And Zip is the one that I'm wearing a little bit on my lips right now. It is kind of a tinted red. It is a subtle red. It's not a bold red. It's very wearable for every day. The color Crush. And I really like this one as well. I'm honestly not even a huge pink lipstick person. I don't really find that it's the most flattering normally on my skin tone, but I really do like this one. I like the formula of these lipsticks more like a tinted lip balm once they're on the lips, but they give a very good color payoff. Next up is another lip product. Not surprising, it is the Fresh brand Sugar Coconut Hydrating Lip Balm. This is literally just a lip balm, and it tastes so authentically coconut, and I love coconut, and if you like coconut, you'll love this. It's a new product. It just came out, and I'm all about the Fresh brand lip products. I really like the Fresh Sugar Tinted Lip Balms. Those are great. And so I was all about this. Super hydrating. It's really great for just like running out the door if you don't want any color on your lip and you just want a moisturizer on your lips that's gonna last. Okay, on to skin makeup products. I've been really into the Naked Skin One and Done Hybrid Skin Tint Perfector. So I use the shade Light, and this is the tinted moisturizer, but it's supposed to kind of give off the same results as a light coverage foundation, but feel like moisturizer. And it has a lot of good things for your skin in the product itself, so you're not putting makeup on that's going to clog your pores and make you break out more and make your skin less good. I really like this one, and that's why it's called the One and Done. It's supposed to be like, you just put it right on your skin and you're good to go for the day. And it wears well. I have really long days here in the city. As I've said, I have a full-time internship, and so I leave in the morning at like 7:45 to commute into Manhattan, and then I'm there until probably 6:30 when I get home. So it's a very long day, and I don't touch up whatsoever. So this does wear really well. I still think my skin looks good by the end of the day, even after the whole subway and hot weather situation going on, and we know how that can be. And concealer wise, I'm really into the Tarte Maracuja Creaseless concealer, and I use the shade Fair. This is a full coverage concealer. It's pretty thick and you don't need a lot of it at all. I just use it usually under my eyes and if I happen to have a breakout, and it wears very well. It doesn't crease, they're right, but you do have to set it with powder. I really like it. I'm not used to wearing full coverage foundation or concealers or anything like that, so I really like the way it looks under my eyes, especially if I'm not super well rested or anything. It gives a nice coverage because the Naked Skin Urban Decay Tinted Moisturizer doesn't give a ton of coverage. This does balance it out, like in those areas that you might need a little bit more or want a little bit more. Additionally, in the summer, I really like a glowy look. As I said, I really like good skincare, minimal looking makeup, very natural, very dewy, and I really like the Glossier Haloscope. So this one is the Quartz shade, and I really like it. It looks very good on fair skin, which I have, and I just like to dab a little bit on my fingers and put it right on the tops of my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, below the brow, anywhere I want a little highlight. So natural and so dewy. It literally looks like you just like have a little bit of a glow to you from within. It's really beautiful. I find that highlighters can sometimes look very harsh if they're straight shimmer or glitter, but this one somehow doesn't look like that at all. It just very much looks like your skin is glowing. That's like the one Glossier product that I will vouch for, like to the death. One more Glossier product while we're at it. So the Glossier Lidstar, this is it's a newer product. So this is their cream eyeshadow. So I have the shade Cub, which gives a very beautiful pinky bronze shimmer on the lid, and it wears quite well. You could even put it underneath a shimmery shadow as kind of a base, and it would probably take it to the very next level. I like it on its own with just mascara. I think it's a really beautiful summery look, especially if you're going for that like shimmery goddess kind of look. And I love the pink, this whole like trend of pink, orange, and red eyeshadows. Like, I'm here for it. The last makeup product I'm going to talk about is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This isn't surprising, but I actually just hopped on this bandwagon relatively recently. This is only my first tube of it. I just started using it this summer, just because I wanted to try a new one, and everybody talks about this one. I really like this mascara. So this is what the brush looks like. I like a very nice like soft bristle large mascara brush. If you really use the brush right at your root and kind of like rub it into the root and then lift it, it's really good. It gives you that nice volume and that thick eyelash base line, and it gives good length as well. So the volume and length on this one, both good, both very good. 10 out of 10. Okay, lastly, I'm going to talk about hair care. I have 3 products, and I'm going to stop talking so much here because this is going to be a really long video. Number 1, a must. In the summer, dry shampoo. Need I say more? I really like the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. I honestly think that most dry shampoos are exactly the same. This one has a nice scent. I pretty much, any dry shampoo works. I know a lot of people also use like baby powder or talcum powder in their roots, but if you haven't hopped on the dry shampoo bandwagon, what are you doing? Try it. It's such a need in the summer. I'm constantly touching my hair, and then your hands are dirty, and then you're like getting greasy like hair. It's like not a look. Dry shampoo, I need to invest in like a travel size one and just take it with me everywhere and just like sit on the subway and like throw dry shampoo in my hair. But I really like this one. On those days that you can't really be bothered to do your hair or shower, wash your hair at the time, whatever, this is a really good way to like spruce back up body and life into your hair when it's not doing so hot. Okay, shampoo and conditioner. I only actually am showing a conditioner, and this is the Maui Moisture Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk Conditioner. And let me tell you, like I was saying, coconut, the nicest smell. This one is phenomenal. My hair is bleached and I need a good quality conditioner, and I often find it hard to find one that actually works. Put a little bit of this like on, you know, the ends of your hair, leave it in for a few minutes when you're washing your body, whatever. Your hair literally is so silky smooth. There's no silicones in it. It's vegan, pure products, pure natural ingredients. It's a plus how incredible it smells. I can't. And the last product that I'm going to talk about today is the Lanza Healing Colorcare Trauma Treatment. So as I said, I have chemically, you know, processed hair. I have bleach in it, and you know that does a number on your hair. This trauma treatment, actually been using this for years, but I needed to include it because especially in the summer, you're exposing your hair to the sun more. It is definitely important to be protecting it from heat. It is so good and it smells great. I just throw a bunch of it on like the bottom half of my hair after I get out of the shower, throw it up into a towel, let it soak in, and then when I take my hair down, I just like finger comb through it, and this stuff, I'm telling you, it really heals the trauma that my hair has been through. Okay, so those were all of my favorites for the month of June, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you want any more like beauty themed videos, I'm all for it. These were just some of my summer essentials, June favorites, things that keep me looking not horrible in the summer months. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!